Bitch, it ain't even all the way up. Hold on, let me turn it all the way up. Blinding. Welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hey boo, and if you're not new, welcome back, baby. A bitch love you. Okay, so as you can tell by the title, today we're going to be unboxing this ring light. I got my package like 2 days ago from Amazon. At this point, Amazon should really sponsor me because I order every fucking thing off of Amazon. When you open the box, ow, almost broke my nail. Okay, so I'm gonna open the biggest box. So there's some foam, and here she is. The ring light. Ooh. So I got the 18-inch ring light. So this is the other box. I think this is the tripod. Yeah, tripod. What's up? Let's open this because we're gonna put her together. I'm excited. Are y'all excited? I'm excited, bitch. If y'all know how to use tripods, then you know you just pull the legs apart and then you lock it in place with this little nozzle. It got like these little nozzles on it that controls the height of the tripod. So this is the last box, and honestly, I don't know what the hell could be in here because I got the ring light, I got the tripod. So sis, did you send me a gift or what? Like, period. Okay. I got 2 filters for the ring light. We're gonna look at those in a second. And then I got this cord. Oh, I got 2 cords. I thought this was one. Okay. Oh, and I got the little what the hell is this? Okay. Oh yeah, so this is the remote. It came with a remote. It came with, I don't know what this is. We're gonna figure it out. And it came with like a little tripod for my phone. I'm excited because if you got this, then you don't need like an extra tripod. Like right now, I have a tripod and a ring light. But now I don't have to do that because it's all gonna be in one, you know what I'm saying? And of course it comes with instructions, but of course I'm not reading instructions because I don't read instructions. So we just have to figure this thing out together, okay? So we took out everything that was in the boxes. Now it's time to get it together and put it together, and we're gonna use it and see what it's like. I'm excited. Okay, so I unscrewed that a little bit so this can go all the way on like that. And then I twist it to make it tight on, oh shit. I was just twisting it the wrong way. But you tighten it on there. So now it's there. I did it, y'all. Okay. Okay, period. Don't play with me. So I got it on there, or whatever, and I feel really, really good because I'm not reading no directions. Okay. Okay, what's next? Oh, I think this is for this. Okay. Let me just sit this aside real quick. So this little piece that I was confused about, I think it goes to this because it just has to. So I'm pretty sure it do. Yeah, it goes to that. On the picture, this goes here. It goes directly in the middle. So I'm not sure. I'm so confused. What the fuck? What does this go to? Obviously, this piece goes in this, and then you screw it. Boom. That's obvious. But it's like, what the fuck? Like, how does it go? Oh, it just, I found out, bitch. So you see this little part right here on the ring light? There's like a little square, and all you gotta do is line it up and slide it in like that. Okay, bitch, period. All right, so we almost done. The last thing we got is these filters to put onto the ring light, okay? And then we're gonna see what it's looking like. Bitch, I'm excited. Okay, so you got this filter, and then you got this filter. Oh wait, they go in certain spots. I'm slow. Okay, so this one goes at the bottom because it's like a little circle for this little circle part. That's how I knew. Okay, so, oh, we got the cords. So it has these 2 cords. Obviously, this part goes into this part. So I'm gonna plug this in. All right, so I'm gonna plug her up and then we're gonna see what it's looking like. The only light that's on right now is my kitchen light, which is like, I have high ceilings, so it's like way up there. I'm about to turn on this ring light so we can see what it looks like, okay? Bitch, it ain't even all the way up. Hold on, let me turn it all the way up. Blinding. Yeah, it gets bright, bitch. It gets bright. This is with no lights on in my house. I'm about to turn this ring light on and let's see the difference. This is just turning it on. This is just turning it on. It's not even all the way up. Let's turn it all the way up and see what it looks like. sweetie, go get you a ring light because, I mean, go get you. I like it. I think I give it a 10 out of 10, honey. I like it. And like I said, it also comes with a filter. Like if you want like an orange, sunsetty, you know, look, it comes with that as well. So really awesome. I paid $89 for this ring light. Y'all, I saw this ring light last year around Christmas time. Honey, it was $100 and something, and I was not about to buy it. So I left it in my cart, and then when I went back to buy it again, I saw that it was $75, and I was like, oh, I should get it. I don't know why I didn't get it, but I didn't get it. So I looked recently. Yes, y'all, this ring light was in my cart for like over a year. But I looked again and I saw that this ring light was $89. So I was like, okay, let me jump on this because I don't know why the price keep going up and down, but okay. So I bought it for $89. I think it was on sale. So go get yours like today. Because originally I think it's like $150 or $115. I don't know, honey, but I was not about to pay over $100 for a light. Okay. I have 2 umbrella lights. I also have 2 softbox lights. And I had that little ring light, so I was good, you know, for, you know. But I wanted this ring light so bad, so I was like, let me just go ahead and get it and stop being a cheap hoe, okay? What else I want to tell y'all? Yeah, I like this light. It was so easy to put together. Y'all see, I put this ring light together without any I put this ring light together without any instructions, so it was so easy to do. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, sweeties.